When it comes to ensuring the safety and compliance of buildings in Gurgaon Sector 23, hiring a building surveyor is crucial. A building surveyor is a professional who specializes in assessing the condition of buildings and ensuring that they meet all necessary regulations and standards. In Gurgaon Sector 23, where there is a rapid pace of development and construction, having a building surveyor is essential to maintain the quality and safety of buildings in the area. One reputable company that offers building surveyor services in Gurgaon Sector 23 is Scon Design. Scon Design is known for its expertise in providing comprehensive building surveying services to clients in the region. They have a team of highly qualified and experienced building surveyors who are well-versed in the local regulations and requirements. With their knowledge and expertise, Scon Design can assist clients in ensuring that their buildings comply with all necessary standards and regulations. The role of a building surveyor in Gurgaon Sector 23 is multifaceted. They are responsible for conducting thorough inspections of buildings to identify any issues or potential hazards. This includes assessing the structural integrity of the building, checking for compliance with fire safety regulations, and ensuring that the building is accessible for people with disabilities. Building surveyors also play a crucial role in assessing the energy efficiency and sustainability of buildings, helping clients reduce their environmental impact. Hiring a building surveyor in Gurgaon Sector 23 is beneficial for both developers and property owners. For developers, having a building surveyor ensures that their projects meet all necessary regulations from the outset, avoiding any potential delays or penalties. For property owners, a building surveyor can provide peace of mind by conducting regular inspections to identify any maintenance or safety issues that need to be addressed. Hiring a building surveyor is essential if you want to make sure that structures in Gurgaon Sector 23 are safe and compliant. A building surveyor is a specialist in evaluating the state of buildings and making sure they adhere to all applicable laws and standards. A building surveyor is necessary to preserve the caliber and security of buildings in Gurgaon Sector 23, where development and construction are occurring at a rapid rate. Scon Design is a prominent business that provides building surveyor services in Gurgaon Sector 23. Scon Design is renowned for its skill in offering clients in the area thorough building surveying services. They have a group of highly skilled and knowledgeable building surveyors that are familiar with the rules and standards in the area. Scon Design can help clients by ensuring that their structures adhere to all essential standards and laws, thanks to their knowledge and experience in this area. Building surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 23 play several different roles. They are in charge of performing thorough building inspections to find any problems